Welcome back to the OBIS data formatting series. In this video, we will learn how to use the built-in geocoding function in the OBIS Maptool to search the marine region's Gazetteer. This function will allow you to search for any region within the Gazetteer and plot the midpoint of that region on the map. For example, let's search for the Baltic Sea. The results show many different locations. For the sake of this example, we will select the second one, Large Marine Ecosystem. When clicked, you can see that it is automatically added to the map and populates the locations table. The longitude-latitude coordinates in this table can be used to populate Darwin Core fields, decimal longitude and decimal latitude. When the radius is provided, this value can be used to populate Darwin Core field coordinate uncertainty in meters. However, not every location will provide this information. Note that while depth is also provided in the table, this depth is obtained from bathymetry layers and should not be used to populate the Darwin Core depth fields. For your purposes, you may want to confirm which marine region's location you want to include by cross-referencing with the marine region's website. So from the home page, you'd want to navigate to the Gazetteer and search for the region of interest. So again, we will search for the Baltic Sea. As you can see, there are many results which correspond to the results we saw in the map tool. There are also flags for regions that have preferred alternatives. When you inspect the page of a certain result, it will give you more information about the latitude-longitude coordinates, a map of the whole region, minimum and maximum coordinates, as well as the source, and so on. This information can be used to fill location class Darwin Core terms such as location according to, georeferenced by, georeferenced date, georeferenced sources, and georeference remarks.